Hey guys, so just got a new package. This is from England, from the United Kingdom, and it's from Scheckters organic energy drink. And you wonder why I have my hand here? It's because my address is shown big on the box, and yeah, don't want to show that. So it's the Royal Mail, the sticker. So yeah, let's open this. Okay. So here's something. Dear Fabio, samples as promised. Kind regard, Sharon. So thanks for that, Sharon. ShifeOrganic.com, Facebook, Twitter. Check them out. Yeah, I got something. Some booklets. Very nice. Very cool. A bubble wrap out. Wow. There's one. So let me focus this. Scheckters organic energy. Beautiful can. And here's the other one. This is I think the right one. Yes, this Scheckters organic light. Very cool. Two very cool cans. So yeah, I'm going to review this in a few days. Thanks for watching and bye.